Well, hello everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and we're down at the layout for late night train runs. Let's send this train out, see where she wants to go. Now, this is on the old power pack. See, she gets a big shot of juice there. That's what you get with the old power pack, a lot of power, and off she goes. Now, that up there, what is that? That is a beautiful French electric. Ooh, that was scary. It's like Godzilla. Now we could run this a little slower, but this is on a more modern pack. That looks like something out of Star Wars almost, doesn't it? Beautiful. That one's going pretty fast. Now that train sounds like she stopped. Let me see if I stop this train, if I still hear the other one. No, I don't hear her. That means deep in the heart of the layout, that Phantom Devil curve over there really getting me. Bet she's stuck in here. Do you see her? Nope. Where is she? Not easy. Where is this train? We're gonna have to get like a camera train. I mean, I've got cameras and stuff, but I think I got to set up cameras at various locations, so I don't have to run around searching. And we could send another locomotive out there, but without seeing where she is, that's a guaranteed crash. I don't think that's such a great idea. Let's see. Do we see her anywhere? That train we stopped. I don't see her down in there. Let's see if we get closer here. You know, I designed the layout. I thought it would be an incentive to stay skinny. And it's starting to have that effect because I'm getting jabbed everywhere I walk. That's a sign I've got to get thinner. Oh, here's the train. Now, how did she get stuck up there? See her? Oh. All right. Oof. She was stuck right in plain sight. I was thinking, if I ever move, does it make sense to take this layout, or just take various parts of it? Take all the tracks, obviously the trains, and you know, not take the layout, or just take the whole darn thing. I don't know if I have the energy to rebuild something like this. I think I'm gonna take the whole thing with me. And the effort of doing that will be save me from having to rebuild it. Oh, too bad you can't stay here forever. That's the reality. Yep. I don't know. You know, the trains for me are something that allows me to have the illusion of doing something from when I was a kid. And boy, you really need those illusions as time goes on. Oh, look at that. One went one way, one went the other way. That's neat. Yep. Unfortunately, Memorial Day weekend, my last sibling passed away. My brother was older than me. And that's just the way the Lord above wanted it. Not a darn thing I could do about it. Nothing. But he was a complicated fellow, had a lot of wonderful qualities. He was trapped like in a fiery spirit. But he taught me a lot of things about electricity and how to fix things. And, well, gonna miss him. But he had a very sharp wit, and you can appreciate that. So he didn't dislike trains, but he could take it or leave it. It wasn't an important thing to him. But he had many, I guess, he was more of a grown-up than I am. He paid attention to a lot of things, but somehow this childhood hobby stuck with me. So, but I think of things like him helping me occasionally set something up, or probably mostly I remember Christmas long ago when he was running the Lionel trains, and I wasn't allowed to go near them. And I rescued those trains, and I still have them. And those are the Lionel trains that run on the around the wall, layout. So there you go. But sometimes you need the clickety-clack sound just to take you to somewhere else. It may not be making much sense, but I don't know if you really can. Every day can't be fun and games, unfortunately. Sometimes it's best to just do something to remind you that there were happy days in the past, and there can be happy days in the future. And one of his favorite films was Secondhand Lions, where I think it was the Robert Duvall character said, there are certain things a man has to believe, even if deep down he knows they're not true, just to get through the day. I'll leave you with that. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and hope you're having a nice week. And I really do want to believe he's in a better place. Thank you so much. Bye for now.